All right, y'all. So today is trim day. Woo, just trim, okay? So I woke up this morning. I was like, self, what's yourself do today? Let's give self a trim. So this is what we're gonna do. And like I said, it's just a trim. And the reason why I want to do that is because it's really uneven at the bottom. So I want to kind of even it just a smidge, but also just get rid of these heavy ends. The ends are like preventing me from doing like a nice braid out or whatever, just different styles. So yeah, let's jump right into it. I got two sets of scissors because I don't have any type of shears, hair cutting shears. So I got this. These are my gingham sewing scissors, but they left hand. I'm a left-handed girl, so they look good. And then these some just some other good ones that I like. Found them somewhere in Ghana, so yeah. All right, guys. So I'm just starting with this right here, and I'm just winging it. Okay. Okay. It's my first time cutting my own locks. So, and I'm like I said, I'm not cutting a lot, just trimming it, trying to even it out and get rid of these bulky ends. So, like you see right here, hopefully I'm in the thing. Well, I'm gonna try to just, look, I don't know, hopefully. Because like my bottom is so long. So I'm not a professional, guys. I'm trying to do this while still staying in the camera. At the same time, I'm still looking at the mirror. Okay. More so focusing on these heavy 8 dot ends. Especially like a lot of these pieces down here, just heavy for just. And granted, some of my little blonde pieces are going to be gone, but it's okay. That is okay. Oh, come here, y'all. And no, I'm not trying to really just cut it like evenly straight because I do like layers. Layers give you more volume. So I'm still trying to keep that volume. But y'all, my ends are already feeling quite lighter, which is good. Yeah, some of these pieces just heavy. Well, I think it's looking better already. Yeah, see, some of these pieces are like very just thick. There's a lot of hair that's compacted right there. All right, so this is where we're at right now. All right, y'all. So as you see the difference, I did this side. All right, guys. So as you see the difference, I did this side here. Still gotta do this side on this side. So yes, I'm thinking it's coming out pretty well. Yes, so I will be back to show you the rest. And again, guys, it's really just to take away some of the bulk at the bottom and to kind of just, I wouldn't say even it out because you all see it still has layers, but to kind of, some of my locks was just super long and then some of them was shorter. So just evening them out just a smidge, but really just taking the bulk off so I can do more styles. And you guys, this is harder than it looks trying to record it. So please give me a like and a share and a comment or something. I'm trying to look in this mirror, but they'll still be in the view. So Okay, so I'll be back to show y'all the end. All right, guys, so this is how much I trimmed off my locks. And as you guys can see, this is how they look. Very, very even. Well, not even, but a lot lighter. So guys, if you're having issues with bulky ends, just cut it. That's all I can tell you. Just cut it. It's gonna grow, especially locks. They're gonna grow pretty fast. That's how I look in the back, from the sides. And with me being in Ghana, I'm sure my ends are gonna turn back gold. They're still pretty gold at the ends, but I did cut a lot of it off just because it was just so bulky. I couldn't do too much with it. So yes, that was all, guys. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you want any other videos showcasing anything else. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right. Peace.